What is going on? What the YouTube? It's your boy Kolton of all trades back here to show you how easy this is to cut your own hair while you're in right now because of the I'm gonna be coming out of this fresh cut. I got a gym downstairs. Alright, so everybody who made fun of me and said, hey, you should go to a barber. You should go to a barber. I'm going to be the guy coming out with a fresh cut, trimmed up, looking good. And you're going to come out looking like, I don't even know, a caveman, cavewoman, who knows? Alright, so the hardest part about this whole video is going to be setting up this camera. So give me a second, I'm going to set it up. Look at this, I'm not even using good supplies here. Conair, are you serious? Not even good. But I make it work. So I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to keep the top long because I like to swoop it over and look all fancy and stuff. So basically what we need to start doing is get our line going, and then we fade up from there. Wicked easy. I'm going to be doing like a semi-bald fade, but I can't really do bald because I don't have razors like that. But this is something so easy you can do it. If you got mirrors, you know, like a trifold mirror situation, look, you can see the sides, you can see the sides. I'm not a hairdresser, dude. Easy. Easy peasy.
We've been going through the same thing. I know I changed, got my niggas, that's the same gang. I'm rolling with from the trenches trying to maintain. Exploring whips, lost all my nights to the same thing. Corner strips, we've been going through the same thing. I know I changed, got my
and that's it. Done. Just like that. Looking fresh.
Niggas, that's the same gang. I'm rolling with from the trenches trying to maintain.
Just kidding. No. Alright. Now that we have a line done, we're going to extend this. Extend it out just a little bit. So you extend it out so you can feather out what you just did.
Free my dogs, it be getting repetitive. Never switch, I stay the same. I keep on counting them.
A lot of this is just like feel, you know, what feels right.
Hole so deep and still I'm above ground. I feel they don't appreciate me. I did my part, I put my all in. Why this reaper with me? They play well hard to keep me cautious. Got this creeper with me and knock you off. I'm playing offense now. I'm feeling so weak. This corner ride did my all in. I still ain't get the respect that I deserve. They try taking me out. Stay cautious through every word. Sleeping on them porches, it helped me with every.
So I'm gonna go with a 2. You're gonna extend it all the way back so the blade meets the so the guard comes all the way up to the blade. And all this terminology, I feel like I'm a barber, but I'm not. My mom is a hairdresser though. But I never cut my own hair. This is maybe like the 3rd time.
Rolling with from the trenches trying to maintain. Exploring whips, lost all my nights to the same thing. Corner strips, we've been going through the same thing. I know I changed, got my niggas, that's the same gang.
Going to a 1 now.
Trenches trying to maintain. These foreign whips, lost all my nights to the same thing. Corner strips, yeah. Sometimes I feel like it's better to just part ways. Had me outside from dawn, moving that Broadway. Cruising in this foreign, it got me thinking about Broadway. Tinted on the windows, no feelings, I know they gon' hate. But Brody told me go invest in this, I told him get a check. Niggas gonna hate, and when they do, we gonna give them that. Love all the support.
So what we need to do is blend. Jesus, unreal. What we need to do is blend that side in just a tad now.
Damn house, I've been moving heavy, nigga. I feel they awake now. They copying every move, trying to gain off of you. They taking in niggas' success and using it like we've been going through the same thing. I know I changed.
Alright, so we're just gonna get this hair out of the way.
Just trying to maintain. Exploring whips, lost all my nights to the same thing. Corner strips, we've been going through the same thing. I know I changed, got my niggas, that's the same gang. I'm rolling with from the trenches trying to maintain. Exploring whips, lost all my nights to the same thing. Corner strips, yeah.
They wanna be me, but can I be me?
I'm steady thugging in these streets. Change costume, cause the other side wavy. Hit the stove, make a G look so crazy. Cut it up with a razor, whip it, then we textin' there. Oh bitch, mad I left her there. Only see me with a couple niggas getting money. Big bag and they wanna be me, but can I be me? I'm steady thugging in these streets. Change costume, cause the other side wavy. Hit the stove, make a G look so
I think it's most of us dads get this lion mane. That's what I like to call it, okay? You might call it hair on your neck. I call it a lion's mane or a stallion. Come on. Come on now. You know how tough you gotta be to be a dad, like a real father, like a real in your life person? It's tough, dude. I got 3 kids. It is tough. You gotta be the most coolest, badass, super dad, superhero at all times. Show no weaknesses. At least that's how I do it. My kids love me.
I double cup, I pour it out for my guys. Yeah, I do this shit because I'm fucking hungry. Could give a fuck about a bitch or the money. Gotta feed the fam, I gotta move my estate. I've been running, skipping states, and you know these niggas snakes. Why they lying about their life? They were never honest. Had me shot up in the night, and to this day I got it on me. They wanna be me, but can I be me? I'm steady thugging in these streets. Change costume, puts the other side wavy. Hit the stove, make a G look so crazy. Cut it up with a razor, whip it, then we textin' there. Oh bitch, mad I left her there. Only see me with a couple niggas getting money. Big bag and they wanna be me, but can I be me?
Okay. That's it. That's it. Alright. At home. 20 minutes, whatever. Half hour. That's what it took. Versus you going and spending $40, $50. If you have a beard, you're gonna spend more. You get it trimmed up, you look good, you feel good. I mean, everyone has their place in a barber shop, but how are you gonna get to a barber shop right now? You can't. So, where do you go? You go into your bathroom. You find those trimmers that you haven't used since last time you trimmed your, okay? You go in there, you find those, you just buzz up something quick, and you look good. So when you walk out of quarantine, oh hey Frank, what's up? He's like, where'd you get that cut? Oh, this, Frank? Come on, Frank, this? It's just something I just saw on YouTube, man. Easy as that. I'm Kolton of all trades. Thank you for watching. And a quick shout out to my man Beno, the Drop-In Seasons. It's a new music video. It's out on YouTube. Check it out. I've been blasting it. It's just mellow. It's like mellow, you know? Something that you can just really sit to, just vibe out to. Alright, check it out. I'll put a link like on this side or this side, whatever side that it ends up on. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, you know, my man Colt of all trades, he hooked it up. He gave me that confidence that I needed to just cut my own hair. And I did, and it looks good. Practice makes perfect. Consistency is key. I have to charge this now, and I'm gonna edit this video and send it off. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Let me know if there's something that you guys want to see, because I love and enjoy doing just random things. So I like challenging myself. So let me know if there's something that you guys want to see. Cool.